One of them is around equity of pay. Like representation was the big topic 10 years ago, pay is really big topic now. And considering that the World Economic Forum is saying it's going to take 132 years to achieve pay equity, I would really hope, and I really see it as a challenge, to kind of move that needle much quicker than it has done for representation. Secondly is around purpose. There was a study back in 2017 that shows that 50% of the women who took part in that survey felt that having a purpose-driven career was really important to them, and it was critical to their decisions around what they studied, what career they followed. I think the challenge now is for women who are coming up to really grasp the potential of what tech means in their world, and to define their own purpose-driven careers within that. I think it's just essential for them to be part of that discussion, part of the future, where I think there's a real risk of women continuing to be excluded from kind of key decisions that impact their lives. Thirdly is partnership. I think equity isn't just about women, and the next generation really know this more than any other. So I think they can really capitalise on their passion and their network building skills to make sure that no one's left behind, and that we are kind of lifting others along with us. Those are the kind of three key challenges: pay, purpose, and partnership. I know it's no small task, but I'm really hopeful and really excited to see what the next 10 years bring.